Crafting, the joyous symphony of creativity, is a world where imagination reigns supreme and hands breathe life into ideas. Imagine a realm where boxes, colored pens, yarn, and knitting needles are more than just objects. They become the orchestra, playing the symphony of creation, each contributing their unique melody to the grand composition that is crafting. Let's embark on a journey, an adventure into the heart of this magical world. Picture a plain, unadorned doll face, a blank canvas yearning for a touch of color and personality. But wait, what's this? A paper puncher enters the scene, a seemingly odd choice for this delicate task. The tension builds as it approaches the doll's head. With a swift, decisive motion, a row of holes appears along the top of the doll's head. The plot thickens. What could be the purpose of these holes? The answer lies in a bundle of yarn. Each strand, vibrant and soft, is threaded meticulously through the holes. Knot by knot, strand by strand, the transformation unfolds. The suspense is palpable, the anticipation, electric. And then, in a moment of pure revelation, the purpose becomes clear. The doll, once plain and unadorned, now sports a head full of colorful yarn hair. The surprise is delightful, the result, enchanting. The simple doll face has been transformed into a thing of beauty, radiating charm and personality. This is the essence of crafting, the joy of breathing life into the mundane, the thrill of witnessing the birth of beauty from the commonplace. It's a testament to the power of imagination, a celebration of creativity. Crafting, in all its forms, is a marvel to behold. It's a dance between the hands and the mind, a symphony of creation that never ceases to amaze. It's the joy of seeing a simple doll face transform into a work of art, the satisfaction of knowing that it was your hands that made it possible. So, here's to crafting, to the joy, the creativity, and the beauty it brings into the world. Here's to the crafters, the creators, the dreamers who make this symphony possible. Here's to the magic of crafting.